We have a 2004 Honda Accord. We're gonna show you how to clear the monitors to get the car inspected. We have this Cadillac Convera in EVAP monitor. They're still not ready. So if one of those goes away, we'll be able to inspect the car. So the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you got half a tank. Okay, do not overfill it. Do not fill it all the way up, and do not let it go below 1/4 of a tank, or the EVAP will not run. Okay, so if you have a problem with the EVAP, keep it full. That way, that one don't activate your check engine light, and the rest will clean and you can get inspected. But now what you're gonna do not turn the heat on. No AC, no heat, no defrost, and you want to take the car to the highway. Well, some kind of highway, because you have to stay in 55 miles an hour. Don't try to go higher than that. Try not to use the brakes. Stay long as you can at 55. So I'm in the road right now. I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna go to the highway. Okay, so now we enter in the highway. We're gonna have to try to stay away from traffic, because they usually going very fast, and you don't want to be, hitting the brake or giving the gas all the way down the fuel pedal. You don't want to pump it or do that. You want to be steady for long as you can. That will help your monitors to clean up. Okay, we're finally moving. We was in a traffic jam, but so now we are in 55 miles an hour. I just started. My monitors, they still on. So I'm gonna put a pause, and I'm gonna let you know how long it took to clean out. This is a Honda Accord. Okay, so the Cadillac Convera just clear. As you can see, the computer is on green. We still got one code, the EVAP. One monitor is that the EVAP, and we ran like 5 miles. So now we're ready to go get the car inspected, even though we have one monitor left. And yep, we just stay like 55 miles an hour for I'm gonna say like 3 miles. Don't hit the brake, just stay steady, and yeah, that will take care of the monitor. 2004 Honda Accord 2.4. So yeah, it's kind of crazy to clean monitors, but this will clean most of your monitors. If you have a problem with the EVAP, your car has a EVAP code, you need to get inspected. Keep your fuel tank full all the way up, and everything will get cleaned out except the EVAP, and the EVAP will not turn the check engine light on, because that test only gonna be the computer only gonna do the test when the fuel tank is from 1/4 to 3/4 of the tank. So if you keep it full, you'll be able to pass inspection with that code. Just keep the fuel tank full. In all the cars that I done, maybe there is a car that's different, but yeah. So this is how you clean your monitors to pass inspection. And this time I did it in a Honda Accord, but this is how I do it in almost every car. Okay, good luck.